Diving into the mesmerizing world of exotic leathers, let's shine a spotlight on one of the most striking and luxurious materials out there: cobra leather. Seriously, if you've ever been captivated by the unique pattern and sleek texture of a high-end wallet, a stunning pair of boots, or a statement handbag, there's a good chance it was crafted from this incredible material. Isn't that cool? So what makes cobra leather so special? And why is it such a staple in the luxury fashion scene? Let's dig in and find out, shall we? Cobra leather is instantly recognizable. Its small, fine scales create a distinctive pattern that no other leather can replicate. It's like nature's artwork. This unique aesthetic is a major draw for luxury brands and fashion enthusiasts who are on the hunt for something that truly stands out. Unlike the larger, more uniform scales of alligator or crocodile, cobra scales are delicate and intricate, giving the finished product a refined and sophisticated look. You can't help but be drawn in by its beauty, right? But it's not just about looks. The real magic of cobra leather lies in its remarkable durability. When you invest in a luxury item, you expect it to last. You want something that not only looks good on day one, but continues to look fantastic for years to come. This is where cobra leather truly shines. Its inherent strength and resilience make it an ideal choice for high-end products that are meant to be used and cherished over a lifetime. It's not just about looking pretty. It's about performance and longevity. Think about the items you use every day: a wallet that gets pulled in and out of your pocket, shoes that pound the pavement, or a belt that's constantly being fastened and unfastened. These items are subjected to a lot of wear and tear. Cobra leather is built to handle it like a champ. One of the most impressive qualities of cobra leather is its ability to withstand constant stress without showing signs of wear and tear. The structure of the skin is naturally tough, resisting scratches and scuffs far better than many traditional leathers. So, while a calfskin wallet might start to show its age with nicks and scratches, a cobra leather wallet will often maintain its pristine appearance for much, much longer. How awesome is that? Let's talk about flexibility too. This is super important, especially for items that need to bend and move, like shoes, belts, or the hinge of a handbag. Some materials can become stiff and brittle over time, leading to cracking when they're bent repeatedly. But cobra leather, it possesses a natural flexibility that is truly exceptional. You can bend it, fold it, and flex it, and it will return to its original shape without developing those unsightly cracks or breaks. This is because the interlocking scale pattern and the underlying fiber structure of the skin are designed by nature to move. It's a material that's both strong and supple, a combination that is highly sought after in luxury craftsmanship. So, how does it achieve this incredible balance? The unique structure of the leather plays a huge part in preventing common issues that plague lesser materials, like cracking and peeling. When leather dries out, it loses its flexibility and becomes prone to damage. The surface can start to flake or peel away, completely ruining the look and feel of the item. But here's the kicker: cobra leather has a natural defense against this. The skin contains natural oils that help maintain a proper moisture balance. These oils keep the fibers lubricated and supple, preventing them from becoming dry and brittle. This built-in moisture management system is a key reason why cobra leather ages so gracefully. However, even the most resilient material needs a little TLC to stay in peak condition. While cobra leather has its own natural oils, over time, and with exposure to the elements, these can diminish. That's why proper care, specifically conditioning, is so important for maintaining its luxurious appearance and ensuring its longevity. Think of it like moisturizing your own skin. You're just replenishing what's naturally there. This simple maintenance routine can be the difference between a product that lasts a decade and one that lasts a lifetime. Isn't that worth it? So, what does proper care involve? It's all about applying the right kind of conditioner or leather oil, but it's not just about slathering it on. The technique is just as important. The key is to apply the oil in thin, even layers. You don't want to saturate the leather, as this can clog the pores and make it feel greasy. A small amount of a high-quality reptile leather conditioner on a soft, clean cloth is all you need. Gently wipe it over the surface of the leather, moving in the direction of the scales. This helps the oil to be absorbed evenly and efficiently. This process does two things. First, it replenishes the natural oils, keeping the leather soft, flexible, and resistant to cracking. Second, it cleans the surface, removing any dust or dirt that may have accumulated between the scales, which helps to enhance the natural sheen and vibrant pattern of the leather. By applying the oil in thin layers, you allow for optimal absorption without leaving a heavy residue. After applying, you can let it sit for a short while and then gently buff it with another clean, dry cloth to bring out a beautiful, subtle luster. Regular conditioning every few months, or as needed depending on your climate and usage, will ensure your Cobra leather piece remains as stunning as the day you bought it. Now let's explore the different types of Cobra leather you might encounter. The two most common are from the Naja, or Indian cobra, and the Naja, the monocled cobra. While they are similar, there are subtle differences in their scale patterns. The Naja often has a slightly larger, more rounded scale in the center of its back, which creates a beautiful focal point on products. The Naja, on the other hand, tends to have a more uniform, smaller scale pattern across its entire body. Both are absolutely stunning, and the choice between them often comes down to personal preference and the specific design of the product. You'll also see Cobra leather finished in two main ways: front cut and back cut. A front cut or belly cut piece showcases the wide, smooth scales of the Cobra's underside. This is often used for larger items like handbags or jacket panels, where a broader, more uniform surface is desired. Imagine strutting down the street with a stunning handbag that showcases the sleek, smooth scales of Cobra leather. It's like carrying a piece of art with you, right? Now, let's talk about back-cut pieces. As the name suggests, these beauties feature the smaller, more intricate scales from the Cobra's back. This is the classic, iconic Cobra look that many people immediately think of when they hear Cobra leather. It's perfect for wallets, watch straps, and other accessories where you really want that detailed pattern to shine. You know, those little touches that make you feel special every time you pull out your wallet or check the time on your wrist. The journey of Cobra leather from raw hide to a finished luxury product is nothing short of amazing. It's a true testament to incredible skill and craftsmanship. The tanning process for exotic skins is way more complex and delicate than it is for cowhide. Each skin is treated like a precious gem handled individually by highly skilled artisans. They're the unsung heroes behind the scenes, working meticulously to preserve the delicate scale pattern while transforming the hide into durable, workable leather. After tanning, the skins often undergo a dyeing process. Picture this: classic blacks and browns mingle with vibrant reds, blues, and even eye-catching metallic finishes. The possibilities are endless, and it's all about finding the perfect shade that complements the natural beauty of the scales. The dyeing process must be spot on to ensure the color penetrates evenly without overshadowing those gorgeous patterns. It's like adding a splash of personality to an already stunning canvas. Once the leather is prepped and ready, it's handed off to the craftspeople who will cut, stitch, and shape it into the final product. Working with Cobra leather requires a unique set of skills. The artisan must know how to cut the skin to best showcase its pattern, how to stitch it without damaging those delicate scales, and how to finish the edges for a clean, professional look. It's a labor-intensive process where every single step demands precision and an eye for detail. This is why products made from genuine Cobra leather command a premium price. You're not just paying for the material, you're investing in an incredible level of artistry and expertise that goes into creating it. Think about it. Every stitch, every cut, every finish is done with care, making each piece truly one of a kind. Of course, when we dive into exotic leathers, we can't overlook the importance of sustainability and ethical sourcing. The trade of Cobra skin is regulated by CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. This international agreement is a big deal because it ensures that the trade in specimens of wild animals and plants doesn't threaten their survival. When you're shopping for a Cobra leather product from a reputable brand, It should come with CITES certification. This little piece of documentation proves that the skin was sourced legally and sustainably, often from farmed populations or conservation programs that benefit both the species and local communities. It's like a badge of honor, showing that you're making a responsible purchase. Always keep an eye out for this certification. It's your way of supporting ethical practices in the fashion industry. In conclusion, cobra leather is so much more than just a material. It's a symbol of luxury, craftsmanship, and exotic beauty. Its unique combination of a stunning aesthetic, incredible durability, and natural flexibility makes it one of the most desirable leathers in the world. Just think about its ability to withstand daily wear and tear and how it gracefully ages with